So today I'm going to show you guys how I do this super easy half up messy bun. Honestly, all you really need is just a clear elastic, but I'm going to share with you my 3 other favorite products I use for texture and hold and all that good stuff if you're having trouble like I do some days. So I hope it makes sense and I hope you enjoy, and I would love to see your pictures after you try it yourself. So I'm going to start by teasing my hair so when I put it up in the bun it's just a little bit poofier. Let's see, I'll probably grab about that much of hair. So I'm just going to tease that a little bit. It's not necessary and I don't always do it, but just so this cooperates with me today, I'm going to tease it a little bit. So I like to use these little clear elastics that Goody makes, and all I do, kind of brush my hair back a little bit, and I start like above my eyebrows. Just draw 2 lines straight back for your hair, and then I take the elastic over. Don't pull all the hair through, go about halfway down, twist it, and then loop it back over. It's the same way I do my full bun when I put all my hair up. And then I just tighten, kind of fluff it, and that part was like about to fall out, so I went ahead and pulled it out. And then I just take the extra hair, if I can grab my elastic here, and I just tuck it in the back, right back in your little hair bow. Same thing for this one. That looks a little too floppy. I'm just gonna pull it out, and then I tuck it in the back of my hair bow. And that's honestly it. As for this part, I just pull it out some more too to give it some more body. Then I will just pull some baby hairs out, because I like how messy it looks. And then that is honestly all I do. At this point, I'll just spray the bun a little bit. Make sure it stays nice and fluffy up there. Spray that. And you're good to go. Some face shapes might look better if you pull like all this hair up, or you might not even want this much. You might want to start and just do this little section. So experiment with that, whatever looks better with your face. If your bun is not cooperating because your hair isn't as dirty as mine is today, I will show you 3 things I love to use. The first is this texturizing spray. It is by Not Your Mother's. It's like $6, I think, and I love it when my hair is like freshly clean and it doesn't have enough texture to it and everything just falls out. So you just sprinkle it where you need it, just like that, and you just rub it into the roots of your hair. Next is this Joico texturizing spray. It's kind of a mix between the powder and my hairspray. So this, if I could only have one, I would definitely pick the texturizing spray, but I just spray it all over, like I said, for like a hairspray at the end. But when I'm starting, you know, I'll just spray it so my hair bow has something to hold on to. And then the best hairspray that I have used for years, never lets me down. This is the Kenra 25 Super Hold Finishing Spray. And that is all I do.